In this video I will show you how the Jira sync works. Here we are in Jira in our Teams project. As you can see, everything we planned in the last video is already in here. Let me show you how the team board is synchronized with Jira. When we drag a sticky from one iteration to another and refresh Jira, you can see it got updated instantly. The same when we drag some issues in Jira to another iteration, the change is updated instantly. It's real-time synchronized in both directions. The same goes for the text, issue types and story points. That's how simple it is and all you need to know about team board synchronization with Jira. In the next video, I will show you how to manage the risks during your PI planning.